Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. Till now, pair of linear equations were given directly and we were asked to use a substitution method in order to find the solutions, isn't it? So in this question, a word problem is given and in this we will be learning how to form the linear equations, pair of linear equations. Okay, and we will be using substitution method in order to find the solution. Why? Because substitution method is mentioned over here. If it is not mentioned, we can use any method. But here, since substitution method is mentioned, we will be using substitution method only. Okay, so question 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So we have to use only substitution method. Okay, so now let's move on to the questions. So subdivision 1, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. Find them. So again once more let me read. So the difference between two numbers is 26. Okay, difference means subtraction. If we subtract any two numbers, we will get 26. And also they are saying that one number is 3 times the other number. So one number is equal to thrice the other number. So I think this will be little clear for you all. So now let me explain you. So solution. Here nothing is given, that is any number is given here? No. Is there any number given over here? No. Nothing is given. So we should take any two numbers. So let the given two numbers be x and y. Let the required numbers be x and y. So we don't know the numbers, so we took let the required numbers be x and y. So in the question what is given, the difference between two numbers is 26. So this is the first part of the question. No. So let me take the difference between the numbers. What are the different two numbers here? It is x and y. So the difference will be x minus y is equal to what is given over here, 26. So 26. So let this be equation 1. Okay, and the second part of the question says one number is 3 times the other. Okay, so the one number is 3 times the other means which number shall we take? Here x only we took. X minus 1 is equal to plus 26 means it is x is bigger number. So I will take my y as a small number. So x is equal to 3 times y. Okay, so x is greater number, so I will have it over here, and 3y y is smaller, so I am taking it as thrice of y. Okay, so then only I will have positive. If I take y over here and x over here, this number I should get it as negative. So I should have it like this only. So let me have this as x minus 3y is equal to 0. So this will be equation 2. So now I have got these two equations. No, so now by using substitution method, so let me take equation 2, that is x is equal to 3y I can get. No. So from equation 2, so x minus 3y is equal to 0. No. So my x is equal to 3y. So let this be equation 3. So now I will be substituting this equation 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 implies x minus y is equal to 26. So what is x over here? It is 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26, and 3 minus y, it is 2y is equal to 26. So therefore y is equal to 26 divided by 2. So therefore y is equal to 13. So therefore I got the value of y. So now I will be substituting the value of x. So substitute y is equal to 13 in equation 3. So equation 3 implies x is equal to 3y. So 3 into 13. So therefore x is equal to 39. Okay, if we subtract 39 minus 13, we get 26. Now, so this is proved, and 39 is equal to thrice of 13. That is also checked. So therefore this is the correct answer. So therefore the required two numbers are 39 and 13. That's it. You have to conclude for every word problems. Okay. Subdivision 2. The larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Find them. The larger of the two supplementary angles. So two supplementary angles. This is the first part of the question. Okay. So be always very clear. I will just teach you. See, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the small by 18. Only that is given. Okay. So nothing else is given. Can we have one equation, one linear equation and find the solution? No. Okay. So from that statement itself, we can find one more statement. No? So the larger of the angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. That's okay. So two supplementary angles, if it is given like that, then we will be taking that as the first part of the question, and then we will be taking the entire statement as the second part of the question. So now they are saying that the larger of the angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So these are the given statements for us. See, I will teach you once more. So the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. That is given question. Only that is given. So from this, how to take two linear equations is that the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. We will be having it like this, no? Yes. So from that, how many supplementary angles is given over here? Two supplementary angles. So we know what is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means if we add any 2 or 3 angles, we should get 180. No, so that is what supplementary angles. So two supplementary angles means it is mentioned. So we are taking this as part 1. Okay, so then we will be taking the entire statement as part 2. So if you have any doubts, just mention it in the comment box. Okay, so two supplementary angles. No, so let us have the two angles as x and y. Let the two supplementary angles be x and y. Okay, so then two supplementary angles is given. Now, so I will take x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now since supplementary angle is given, two supplementary angle only, no, so I am taking it as x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This will be equation 1. So again they are saying that the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. So now when we have such types of question, we can just choose any one. Okay, so let me have x itself. So x is equal to exceeds the smaller means addition of 18 degrees gives the value of x. Okay, so y plus 18. So y plus 18 gives me the angle of x. Okay, so let this be equation 2, and let me have this equations all in one side, that is variables all in one side. So x minus y is equal to 18. So let this be equation 3. So why I kept this as it is, because instead of writing it again from equation 3, where x is equal to y plus 18 and all those, I just kept this as it is and I took, but these two are the required equations. Okay, this is an extra equation, so instead of repeating it directly we can do, no, so only adjust it like this. So now by using substitution method, so from equation 1 we can just substitute over here in equation from equation 2 we can just substitute for equation 1. So substitute equation 2 in 1. So equation 1 implies x plus y is equal to 180. No? So what is x over here? X is y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180. So 2y, I will take numbers to one side. So 180 minus 18. 2y is equal to 162. So y is equal to 162 divided by 2. So since it is even number, I can just divide directly. So 81. So y is equal to 81. So now I will be substituting the value of y in equation 2. So substitute y is equal to 81 in equation 2. So equation 2 implies x is equal to y plus 18. So x is equal to, what is y? 81. 81 plus 18. So x is equal to 99. So therefore we found x and y. So see here, the second equation is verified. So my first equation was 99 plus 81 is 180. No, so 180. So this also is verified. So this, my answer is correct. So therefore the two required angles are 99 and 81. That's it. Subdivision 3. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So what is given over here is that the coach of the cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Okay, so that's it. This question is very simple. Find the cost of each bat and ball. That is, we have to find the cost of one bat and one ball. So let x represent the cost of the bat and y represent the cost of the ball. Okay, so now let's start writing the equation. So from here we can write 7 bats and 6 balls together is 3,800. So 7 bats, no, so bat is x plus 6 into y is equal to 3,800. Let this be equation 1. So next here it is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. Let this be equation 2. So now using substitution method, So we will be taking any one of the equations. Since this equation is small, that is easy for us. Let us take this one. So from equation 2, we get 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. So let me take y in terms of x. So 5y is equal to 1750 minus 3x. So y is equal to 1750 minus 3x divided by 5. So let this be equation 3. I will be substituting this equation 3 in equation 2. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So my equation 1 implies 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. So my y is, so 7x plus 6 into y is 1750 minus 3x divided by 5 is equal to 3800. So 7x I will have as it is. So 6 into 1750. 0, 0, 3, no, 5, 4. Minus 18x divided by 5 is equal to 3800. So now I will be taking LCM throughout. So 5. So 5 into 7 it is 35x plus 10,500 minus 18x is equal to 3,800. So I will be taking this 5 to my RHS. So 35x plus 10,500 is minus 8x is equal to 19,000. Okay, so next I will take my 10,500 to this side, that is variables in one side and numbers in one side. So 35 minus 18 is 17x is equal to 19000 minus 10,500. So 17x is equal to 8,500. So x is equal to 8500 divided by 17. So 17 into 5 times it is 85, so 00. So therefore the value of x is equal to 500. So now let us substitute the value of x in equation 3. So substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 3. So equation 3 implies y is equal to 1750 minus 3x divided by 5. So y is equal to 1750 minus 3 into 500. Value of x is 500. No, so only. So y is equal to 1750 minus 15,500 divided by 5. So y is equal to 250 divided by 5. So y is equal to 50. So therefore we have found x and y. So therefore we can conclude that the cost of one bat is 500 and the cost of one ball is 50. That's it. Taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105. For a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does the person have to pay for the traveling a distance for 25 km? So once more, let me read and highlight the points. So the taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Okay, so here what they have said, we have fixed charge as well as the charge covered for the distance. So in the next statement, what they are saying is that for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge is 105. And they are also saying that for a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 115. So there are three parts in this question. One is, first they are saying that there is fixed charge and the distance covered. Okay, they are saying like that. Then they are saying that the first equation, for the first equation, they are saying for 10 kilometer it is 105 and for 15 kilometer it is 155. So now we have to calculate the fixed charge and the distance per kilometer. Okay, charge per kilometer. Okay, so that is the first part of the question. And next part of the question says that how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? After finding all this only, we will be finding this one. So now let us start writing the equations. Solution. So let the fixed charge be x. So for every distance there is a fixed charge. Okay, so the fixed charge is x and the distance, the charge for the distance covered. Be y. So let this be x and y. So the fixed charge is same for whatever distance it is covering. It doesn't mind, the fixed charge is always same. So only the charge for distance will be changing. So now according to the question, let's start writing. So first it is given that for distance of 10 kilometer it is 105. So my fixed charge is x plus 10 kilometer. No, so 10 into y. So per kilometer some charge will be there. No, so only I've written 10 into y is equal to 105. So let this be equation 1. So next one, for 15 kilometer the charge is 155. So x plus 15y is equal to 155. Let this be equation 2. So we can say that we will be finding the solution for the pair of linear equations using substitution method. So we will be taking any one of these equations now. So let me take equation 2. So from equation 2, my equation 2 implies x plus 15y is equal to 155. So x is equal to 155 minus 15y. So let this be equation 3. So now I will be substituting equation 3 in equation 1. So now I will be writing substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So x plus 10y is equal to 105. No, so my x value is 155 minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105. So I will have my numbers in one side and my variables in one side. So here it is minus 5. Minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5 is equal to 105 minus 155. So minus 5y is equal to minus 50. So 105 minus 155, it is 50. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 50 divided by 5. So y is equal to 10. So the value of y is 10. So now I will be substituting the value of y in equation 3. So substitute y is equal to 10 in equation 3. So x is equal to 155 minus 15 into 10. So y value is 10 so only. So x is equal to 155 minus 150. So x is equal to 5. So therefore we will say that therefore the fixed charge is 5 and the charge for distance is rupees 10. That's it. So now the part 1 is over. So the second part is there, no? So we will be finding that. Also, the charge for covering 25 kilometer is equal to fixed charge x plus, so the distance covered is 25 into the charge per kilometer is 10, no? So therefore it is 5 plus 250. So therefore rupees 255 is the answer. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it is 5 by 6. Find the fraction. That is the original fraction. Okay. So, there is a fraction. Okay. So, that is x by y. If 2 is added to both numerator as well as denominator, we get 9 by 11. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added, it becomes 5 by 6. If 2 is added, 9 by 11. That is the equation. So now let's move on to find the equation. Solution. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Okay, so therefore the required fraction is x by y in the final answer. Okay, so this is the original fraction. So according to the first condition, what is given here is that if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it is 9 by 11. No. So the original fraction is this one. So if we add plus 2 to the numerator and plus 2 to the denominator, we get 9 by 11. So now we have to cross multiply this. So 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. So 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So next I will be taking my variables to one side and numbers to one side. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. So 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So this will be equation 1. So here it is given if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, we get 5 by 6. No. X plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. So here also I will cross multiply. Okay. So we need not to have it in fractional form itself. We can just cross multiply and make it simple. So 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So we will have 6x plus 6 3s are 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So I will have variables in one side and numbers in one side. So 6x plus minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. So 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Let this be equation 2. So by using substitution method from equation 2 itself, let's take. So here I will have, let me have it in terms of y. So 6x plus 3 is equal to 5y. So my y is equal to 6x plus 3 divided by 5. So let me have this as equation 3. So now I will be substituting equation 3 in equation 1. So substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So it is 11x minus 9 into what is my y? 6x plus 3 divided by 5 is equal to minus 4. So this is the equation. So now I will be taking LCM. So my LCM is 5. So 55x minus 9 6 are 54x plus 27 is equal to minus 4. So x plus 27, I will be taking this side, so which is equal to minus 20. So this should be minus, no? So minus into minus, it is minus over here. So this should be minus. So I will be taking this 27 to my right hand side. So x is equal to minus 20 plus 27. Minus goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So x is equal to 7. So this is my value for x. So now I will be substituting value of x in equation 3. So now substitute x is equal to 7 in equation 3. So y is equal to 6x plus 3 divided by 5. So 6 into what is my x? It is 7 plus 3 divided by 5. So y is equal to 6 7s are 42 plus 3 divided by 5, which is 45 divided by 5. So y is equal to 9. So therefore the required fraction is 7 by 9. That's it. Subdivision 6. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times this son. Okay, so what is given here is that 5 years hence. 5 years hence means after 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. Okay, so next part what they are saying, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means before 5 years, Jacob's age was 7 times of his son. So these are the two pair of linear equation statements. So now let us start writing the pair of linear equation. Solution. Let the present age of Jacob be x and the present age of Jacob's son be y. Okay, so if age sums are given, just always write x equal to y. Okay, that's it. X equal to y. So now start reading out the question. 5 years hence. 5 years hence means what? From now 5 years. So after 5 years. After 5 years the age of Jacob will be plus 5. No, so x present age plus 5 will give us the age of Jacob after 5 years. So plus 5, and even Jacob's son is plus 5. For both also plus 5. Age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. So 3 times of his son. This is son's age, isn't it? So I will be multiplying 3 with the entire term, that is x plus y. If they say that it thrice of Jacob's age is son age, means I will be writing 3 over here, multiplying 3 throughout this. So now let us start simplifying this equation. So x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. So I will be having variables in one side and numbers in one side. So x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. So x minus 3y is equal to 10. So let this be equation 1. The next one, what they are saying, 5 years ago, before 5 years. So we write same, x equal to y itself. Okay, so 5 years ago means minus 5. So minus 5 both the sides. You have to write it both the sides. Okay. Next, 7 times of his son. It means with his son's age, we have to multiply by 7. So 7 into y minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. So x is equal to 7y is equal to minus 30. Let this be equation 2. So this is equation 1 and 2. 7 minus. So I will be taking equation 1 and simplifying that first. So I will be writing by using substitution method. From equation 1 I will get, so equation 1 implies x minus 3y is equal to 10. No, so my x is equal to 10 plus 3y. So let this be equation 3. So now I will substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So what is my equation 2? Equation 2 implies x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So 3y minus 7y is minus 4y, and my 10 will go to the other side. So 30 minus 10. So minus 4y is equal to minus 40. So y is equal to, minus and minus will get cancelled. So 40 by 4 is 10. So therefore y is 10. So now I will be substituting y is equal to 10 in equation 3. So my equation 3 was x is equal to 10 plus 3y. So x is equal to 10 plus 3 into y is 10. So x is equal to 10 plus 30. X is equal to 40. Therefore, the present age of Jacob is 40, and the present age of Jacob's son is 10. That's it. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.